Hello guys, how are you everyone? How are you everyone? Here's Mr. Django guys. Today we have another best forever guys. We have best how to make Amapiano guys. So this is best. Just to feel it. Just to feel it. How? So let me show you what things I use to make this beat guys. I have this one. It's a drum loop. This one, yes. So I drag it here. This one, I drag it here. And I have this one. I have this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Yes, that is small things that I use. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 things, and this one, yes. So you can feel it. Then I'll show you how I do. Yes. Yes. Yes, guys. It's so nice, so amazing, guys. Okay, let me show you which things I use to make this beat, guys. So easy, so simple and easy, guys. So let me do this. I take this one, that one. Then I drag it here to that side, you see. So is it this one, that thing? Then let me go on my pattern. Here's on my pattern one. I have this one on my pattern one. So I have this one, log drum. Yes, if you wanna copy this, you can copy this one, log drum. Yes. On pattern one, I have log drum, guys. Yes, it. This one. Then I have a morphine. That morphine that makes po. You come here on the brass wind, then it's number 2. This one. Yes, you finish that po. Yes, boom. Then I have E flute, that bass, that in flute. I just take it from same with log drum. I just copy here. I copy here by the log drum. Yes, I copy here and come and paste here by E flute. Yes, to make my bass to be strong. Yes, guys. Then number 2, I have melody. This is melody. Yes, guys. Then number 3, I have small thing that is say A. If you hear it, yes, this one. Yes, you see that thing I have here. You see, so all of things that I have. And then I have this one. So let me get inside my beat. Yes, it. Yes, you see, yes, that clap. You see that is this one. You just come and drag it here. You can go boom. Then we have this. See, this one. It's this one, yes, guys. Then we have this one, kabongo, guys. Is it this one? So let me zoom, then you just see it. You see that one, kabongo. You see? Yes, kabongo, that one. Yes, yes. The bongo. Easy, guys. So easy, guys. So easy. Yes, guys. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. It's so simple, guys. So simple, guys. So if you want me to teach you anything, just comment on my comment section, guys. So easy. Yes. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next tutorial, guys. I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you understand. If you didn't understand, just comment on my comment section. Then I'll send you my WhatsApp number. Then we talk. Then I'll send for you, guys. I'll do that again. Then I'll show you what can I do and what can you do, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe, please, guys. Thank you. I love you.